Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 26th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, what's the news? Well, soccer news. Feyenoord, Rotterdam, has won the match against Lazio Roma for the European Cup. Yes, qualification 3-1. Feyenoord. All right. Yeah. All right. Let me see. We have one puzzle, the binary. I hope I will solve this within a minute of 15 or 13. This one will be number 7335. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 39 printed digits. It's a binary puzzle. 12 by 12. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I cannot place number 6 there. Otherwise, we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. This can be 1. This should be no. Oh, between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest are O's. 1, 2. Oh, between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I cannot. We have here 5 O's. If I place number 6 here or there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So the last O should be in one of these 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes should be on 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3, 4. Here we have 4, 5, 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's, an O and a 1 there. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. That box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here a 1 or there 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this one should be the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. Comparing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let me compare. Oh no, double 1 here. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Need to compare, I believe. We need a 3, 4. Need a 1 here and a 1 there, I believe. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let me compare. This is no, not the same. Double one here. No, cannot compare this one. Double O here. Here. 1 O. Huh? Double one. Oh yeah. This well, and that row. One. Oh no. O O O O 1 1 O O. Empty box 1 1. Empty box O O 1 1 1 1 O O 1 1. So we need to switch these digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Yeah, but it's not helping me. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Need to compare again. Yeah, it's not helping me. About 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No. Double one here. Is this one? Well, I cannot. There's too much here. But we have here the one, here one, here one, and there one. Here one. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. I believe I need to compare the columns. We have a double O here. Here. Oh, 1 1. Oh, yeah. This one. That one. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. Empty box. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 Oh, we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no. There no. And double O. Here 1. There 1. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again with 2 times comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.